Hi, gamer. Today I will show you how to easily remove and replace Nintendo Switch Neon Pop Airlight headphone earpads. These are licensed PDP level 40 headphones with microphone. I couldn't find how to remove the earpad cushions on this model of headphones, so I'll show you today how to remove the earpad cushions on this model of headphones. But next time I'll show you how to fix a broken 3.5mm jack. To remove the earpads on these headphones, you just have to take it off. To do that, use your index finger to grab the earpad and pull it off. Pads holds to the headphones in a groove in the headphone housing. Then order new replacement earpad cushions. The link is in the video description. To put the new cushions on, you have to put the edge of the earpad into the gap and then twist the earpad until most of pad is fixed on the body of the headphones. Use your fingers to pull the remaining edge of the earpad in. This way you can replace both earpads and your headphones will be as good as new again. If you found this video useful, don't forget to press the like button. But for now I wish you good luck.